Hello and welcome to the Reality Shifters podcast, where we explore the power of imagination and how to use it to create the life you want. I'm your host Dodo, and I'm a reality expert who has studied the teachings of Neville Goddard, Monica Pavlichkova and many others. Today, I will share with you how you are limited only by your uncontrolled imagination and lack of attention to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When you let your imagination run wild and your attention wander from your desired state, you are giving away your creative power to the external world. You are letting the outside conditions and circumstances dictate your life, instead of being the master of your fate. But when you learn to control your imagination and focus your attention on the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you are tapping into the infinite potential of your subjective reality. You are aligning yourself with the version of yourself that already has what you want. You are living in the end, as Neville Goddard would say. And when you do that, you will see amazing changes in your life. You will manifest your desires faster and easier than ever before. You will experience more joy, peace, abundance and love in every area of your life. You will become a conscious creator of your own reality. But how do you control your imagination and focus your attention? How do you live in the end? How do you create a feeling of your wish fulfilled? That's what I'm going to teach you in this podcast. I'm going to share with you practical techniques, exercises, stories and examples that will help you master these skills and apply them to any situation or goal you have. But before we dive into that, I want to ask you a question. What is your inner self-talk like? What do you say to yourself, about your life, about other people? Is your self-talk positive or negative? Are you supportive or critical? Are you optimistic or pessimistic? Your inner self-talk is very important, because it reflects your subconscious beliefs and assumptions. And as Neville Goddard said, assumptions harden into facts. Whatever you assume to be true about yourself and others will become true in your reality. So if you want to change your reality, you have to change your self-talk. You have to start speaking to yourself and others in a way that affirms your desired state. You have to start saying things that make you feel good, that make you feel confident, that make you feel worthy. You have to start saying things that imply that you already have what you want, that you are already who you want to be. This is not lying or pretending. This is creating. This is using the power of words to shape your reality. This is using the power of affirmations to impress your subconscious mind with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. And when you do that consistently, you will notice a shift in your vibration. You will feel more aligned with your desired state. You will attract more opportunities, synchronicities and manifestations that match your new self-talk. You will see evidence of your new reality everywhere. So in this podcast, I will also teach you how to change your self-talk into a positive one. I will give you examples of affirmations that work for different areas of life, such as health, wealth, relationships and more. I will show you how to use them effectively and effortlessly. I will show you how to make them a part of your daily routine. You have the power to shape your reality according to your desires and intentions. But how do you do that? How do you make your dreams come true? The answer is simple. You have to control your imagination and focus your attention on the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This is the key to manifesting anything you want in life. When you imagine something vividly and feel it as if it were already true, you impress it on your subconscious mind, which then attracts it into your physical reality. But if you don't control your imagination and let it wander aimlessly, or if you don't focus your attention on the feeling of your wish fulfilled and instead dwell on the lack or the opposite of what you want, then nothing will change for you. You will keep experiencing the same old reality over and over again, because that's what you are affirming with your thoughts and feelings. The day you master the movement of your attention in your subjective world, you are the master of your fate. You will no longer be a victim of external conditions or circumstances. You will realize that you are the creator of your own reality, and that nothing can stop you from achieving your goals and living your dreams. But how do you control your imagination and focus your attention? How do you train yourself to think and feel in alignment with your desired reality? The answer is, by paying close attention to your inner self-talk. Your inner self-talk is the constant stream of thoughts and words that run through your mind every day. It is the voice that narrates your life and tells you what is possible or impossible, what is good or bad, what is right or wrong. It is the voice that influences your mood, your attitude, your actions and your results. But what kind of voice is it? Is it a positive or a negative one? Is it supportive or critical? Is it empowering or limiting? Is it aligned with your wishes or with your fears? Most people are not aware of their inner self-talk, or they take it for granted as something natural and inevitable. They don't realize that they can change it, and that by changing it, they can change their reality. You see, your inner self-talk is not just a random chatter. It is a powerful force that shapes your reality. It is a reflection of your beliefs, assumptions, expectations and attitudes. It is a projection of your subconscious mind, which is the source of all creation. Your subconscious mind does not judge or reason. It does not know the difference between reality and imagination. It only accepts and executes whatever you impress upon it with your thoughts and feelings. And it does so faithfully, without fail. So if you want to change your reality, you have to change your subconscious mind. And to change your subconscious mind, you have to change your inner self-talk. How do you do that? By consciously choosing positive, affirming, empowering words that support your wishes and intentions. By replacing negative, limiting, disempowering words that contradict or sabotage them. By speaking to yourself as if you already have what you want, as if it were already true. For example, if you want to attract more money into your life, instead of saying things like "I'm broke," "I can't afford it," "money is hard to come by," say things like "I'm wealthy," "I can buy anything I want," "money flows to me easily." You get the idea. The more you repeat these positive statements to yourself, the more you impress them on your subconscious mind, which then manifests them in your reality. But don't just say them mechanically or superficially. Say them with feeling, with emotion, with conviction. Feel them as if they were already true. Imagine them as vividly as possible. Visualize them in detail. Use all your senses to make them real in your mind. This is how you control your imagination and focus your attention on the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This is how you create your reality with the power of words. But don't stop there. Don't just say these words to yourself in silence or in private. Say them out loud whenever possible. Say them to other people who support you and share your vision. Say them to the universe with gratitude and confidence. The more you speak these words, the more you amplify their power and vibration. The more you broadcast them to the world, the more you attract people, situations and opportunities that match them. The more you affirm them with your voice, the more you confirm them with your reality. This is how you use the power of speech to create your reality. This is how you make your words come true. But remember, words are not enough. You also have to act on them. You have to back them up with action. You have to align your behavior with your words. You have to walk your talk. Don't just say you want something, do something about it. Don't just say you are something, be it. Don't just say you have something, show it. For example, if you say you want more money, don't spend it recklessly or hoard it fearfully. Invest it wisely or share it generously. If you say you are healthy, don't eat junk food or smoke cigarettes. Eat well and exercise regularly. If you say you have a wonderful partner, don't cheat on them or neglect them. Treat them with respect and love. You see, your actions are also a form of communication. They are also a form of creation. They are also a reflection of your subconscious mind. They are also a projection of your reality. Your actions speak louder than your words. They show what you really believe, what you really expect, what you really intend. They show who you really are. So if you want to change your reality, you have to change your actions. And to change your actions, you have to change your words. How do you do that? By consciously choosing positive, affirming, empowering actions that support your words and wishes. By replacing negative, limiting, disempowering actions that contradict or sabotage them. By acting as if you already have what you want, as if it were already true. This is how you align your actions with your words and wishes. This is how you create your reality with the power of action. You see, you are not bound by any external circumstances or limitations, except those that you impose on yourself through your uncontrolled imagination and lack of attention to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. What do I mean by that? Well, let me explain. Your imagination is the creative power of God within you. It is the faculty that allows you to shape your reality according to your desires. But if you don't control it, if you let it wander aimlessly and entertain negative thoughts and scenarios, then you are creating a reality that is not in alignment with your true self and your true desires. Your attention is the focus of your consciousness. It is the tool that allows you to select and activate the reality that you want to experience. But if you don't steady it, if you let it drift away from the feeling of your wish fulfilled, then you are not giving life to your desired reality and you are not living in the end. So how can you train your imagination and attention to work for you, not against you? Here are some simple but powerful exercises that you can do every day. 1. Visualize your desired outcome in detail and with emotion. Imagine that it is already done and that you are living in the end. Feel the joy, gratitude, satisfaction, love, or whatever emotion is appropriate for your wish. Do this for at least 10 minutes a day, preferably before going to sleep or after waking up. 2. Affirm your desired outcome in the present tense and with conviction. Repeat to yourself statements that affirm that you already have what you want or that you are already who you want to be. For example, I am wealthy and successful, I am healthy and fit, I am loved and appreciated. Do this for at least 5 minutes a day, preferably while looking at yourself in the mirror or while feeling your heart. 3. Act as if your desired outcome is already a fact and behave accordingly. Dress, speak, think, and act as if you already have what you want or as if you are already who you want to be. For example, if you want to be confident, then dress confidently, speak confidently, think confidently, and act confidently. Do this as often as possible throughout the day, especially when facing challenges or opportunities. These exercises will help you to control your imagination and steady your attention on the feeling of your wish fulfilled. They will also impress your subconscious mind with the new reality that you want to create and attract the corresponding events, people, and circumstances into your life. Remember, you are limited only by your uncontrolled imagination and lack of attention to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When the imagination is controlled and the attention steadied on the feeling of your wish fulfilled, then nothing will change for you. But don't forget the most important thing. Enjoy the process. Have fun with it. Be playful and creative with it. Don't take it too seriously or too literally. Don't make it a chore or a burden. Don't stress over it or obsess over it. Picture your mind as a grand theater, and your imagination as the director. It orchestrates scenes and stories that play out within you. If the director loses control, the scenes can become chaotic and confusing. Your imagination is a powerful tool, capable of crafting entire worlds and stories. However, when it's left uncontrolled, it can conjure up fears, doubts, and scenarios that don't align with your desires. Your imagination can become a double-edged sword, creating both the life you dream of and the nightmares you fear. Similarly, your attention is like a spotlight, illuminating the stage of your imagination. If it's scattered and wavering, the spotlight may miss important aspects of the performance. It's crucial to steady this spotlight, to guide it intentionally, focusing on the feeling of your wish fulfilled. When your attention is undisciplined, it can get lost in the distractions of the outside world, preventing you from truly manifesting what you desire. The key is to harness this spotlight, to train it to beam steadily on the emotions and sensations that come with achieving your dreams. The mastery of attention is the linchpin. When you achieve control over where your attention goes within your subjective world, you become the captain of your fate. You are no longer tossed around by external circumstances or conditions. Instead, you steer the ship of your life towards the horizons of your choosing. This control grants you the ability to shape your reality from the inside out. The outer world begins to bend and adjust to the vision you hold within. To master your reality, pay close attention to the conversations you have within yourself. This self-talk can either empower or disempower you. Are you being your own cheerleader, or are you constantly criticizing and belittling yourself? Likewise, observe how you talk about others in your life. Your words and thoughts about them can influence the dynamics of your relationships and how you perceive the world around you. You possess the incredible power to shift your reality by changing your inner dialogue. Transform those critical and negative voices into positive, encouraging ones. It's like rewriting the script of your own play. Choose words that uplift, motivate, and inspire. By doing this, you pave the way for a more abundant and fulfilling life. In essence, your reality is a canvas waiting for the brushstrokes of your imagination and the focus light of your attention. Take charge of your imagination, guide it purposefully, and direct your attention towards the feeling of your wishes fulfilled. Embrace the mastery of your attention, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. You are the creator of your world, and the power to manifest the life you desire lies within the realm of your imagination and the focus of your attention. Use this power wisely, for it can shape your destiny. Every day, within the theater of your mind, scenes unfold based on your imagination and where you direct your attention. If the scenes are haphazard, chaotic, and influenced by external factors, the play loses its plot and purpose. Your imagination is a potent force, capable of constructing narratives that either propel you towards success or hold you back. It's akin to being the director of a grand production. You need to guide the actors, your thoughts, and set the stage, your environment, to align with your desired storyline. Your attention, the spotlight in this theater of the mind, must be under your control. Imagine if the spotlight is constantly shifting, never focusing on a particular character or scene. The story becomes disjointed, and the audience, your reality, is left bewildered. To truly manifest your desires, you must steady this spotlight, making intentional choices on where to shine it. It should illuminate the feelings and emotions associated with achieving your goals, bathing your dreams in the light of your attention. In the journey to mastery, attention is the compass, and imagination is the map. Together, they guide you through the intricate landscapes of your reality. When your attention is scattered and your imagination is uncontrolled, it's akin to wandering aimlessly without a map or compass. You may encounter obstacles and detours, hindering your progress. However, once you learn to harness your attention and focus your imagination, you become the skilled navigator of your destiny, charting the course towards your dreams. Your inner self-talk, that constant chatter within, has a profound impact on your reality. It's like a whispered script influencing your every move. If this script is filled with doubt, negativity, or criticism, it casts a shadow on your reality. However, by consciously changing this script to one of affirmation, positivity, and belief in your capabilities, you rewrite the narrative of your life. You become the main character in a tale of triumph and success. At the core of this transformation lies the understanding that you are not limited by your circumstances, but by your response to them. Your imagination and attention can liberate you from external dominion. By directing your focus inward and aligning it with the feeling of your wishes fulfilled, you change the script of your reality. You become the alchemist, turning thoughts into things, dreams into reality. To practice this alchemy of the mind, engage in a simple yet profound exercise. Before drifting into sleep, imagine your day in reverse. Begin with the last moments before you went to bed, picturing the tasks and events in reverse order. As you do this, emphasize the positive, joyful, and accomplished aspects of your day. This exercise not only guides your attention but also sets the stage for positive expectations for the day ahead. In conclusion, the theater of your mind is vast, and you are the director of the grand play called life. Your imagination shapes the scenes, and your attention illuminates the stage. Take charge of this production, steer it in the direction of your dreams, and craft a story that resonates with the highest version of yourself. The power to manifest a fulfilling reality is within your grasp. Imagine it, focus on it, and make it real. Remember, this is not a test or a trial. This is not a competition or a challenge. This is not a problem or a struggle. This is an adventure and an opportunity. This is a game and a gift. This is a joy and a blessing. This is your life and your reality. You are the creator and the master of it. You have the power and the freedom to make it whatever you want. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this podcast. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this podcast, don't forget subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for listening, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.